Good morning mga show. It's me, Super Eden here. Good morning everyone. It's our day 66 of saying hi. Till I get famous. Please guys, support this old man's dream. I'm going to turn 40 years old for the next 2 years. So, the goal is before that happen, uh, I can fulfill my dreams. My dreams are just simple, guys. To have my own house, own lot. This lot is not ours. Uh, and then, of course, family car for my family. And I have money to support my children education. Yes, that's it. So, thank you so much guys for watching me. Even though my content is nonsense. Saying hi. That I got famous. Thank you everyone. I love you all. Mama chup chup.